need to give a nigga heads up every time I look up. It's like camera and bone.
Look, I really knew what was next. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna speak about a loan shark in bone.
So what's your tune? What y'all wanna hear? Firstly, evening is the end of the week. It's Friday today. Was a lovely week. On other notes, we rolled the plates, welded it in. Finally got the duff out after struggling a full half an hour due to my colleague. Secondly, next week, hopefully, everything goes well, we'll slap some candy white over her and then get the chassis operating as a rolling chassis. Next time you see us, we will be assembling it and putting the glass in it.
The 20th of September 2020.
Guys, thank you people for the post.
Yeah, we came at the end of the day where the E30 is concerned. Louder for the crowd. 1600 twin-port Beetle. The backboard. How does the backboard look for you? MZ Custom Garage. Hashtag #GoBuilds.
Yeah, there's a lock over there.
You ever notice how smooth Carmen's curves are? Shout to HR for always feeding us.
I've been building on this project, man.
Yeah, I was building this thing. 2 weeks now going. Been missing Siraj. According to last week's drags, I knocked him out. So back to the drawing board. I just needed another couple kilowatts.
Compression ratio, what you running?
1:2. One valve is to 2 stroke.
Guys, static is not the way, guys. How do I tune now, yeah? Actually, what kind? Anyway, this way, that way I'm tuning, y'all. We have a money drift track over here. I tune you now. It's quite a thick profile, you know. 1:3. Yeah, tune that. He must buy out profile, you know. That is tuning about do your homework.
You've been enlightened.
You know, this van. We never had a way today to go fix the pipes, but this van never let you down, my man. She never let us down. Ask yourself about Hans by Saddam. took the duff out. The guy helping me took like full 10 minutes to take one bolt out. Secondly, nee, maar don't slaan de camera.